Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are tackling an exciting topic, how to become a .NET developer. Whether you are new to programming or transition from another stack, I'll guide you through everything you need to know, including programming basics, working with databases, using SQL Server and framework, and building real-world application. Let's dive in. Before we start, let's talk about what .NET is. It's a powerful, versatile framework developed by Microsoft that allows you to build web, desktop, mobile, and cloud applications. If you want to work with enterprise-grade software or scalable solution, .NET is the way to go. So the first step is start with basics, focusing on C Sharp, the primary language for .NET development. Learn variable, loops, and conditionals, object-oriented programming principles, data structure, and algorithms. If you are brand new, check the Microsoft Learn, Free Code Camp, or uh, Udemy for structured courses. Step 2 is understand databases and entity framework. Every .NET developer needs a solid understanding of databases. Start with SQL Server, a widely used relational database system. Learn basic queries like select, insert, update, and delete. Database schema design like tables, relationships, and normalization. Once you are comfortable, move to the Entity Framework, a powerful ORM for .NET. EF Core simplifies working with databases by letting you interact with them using C Sharp instead of raw SQL. Entity Framework helps bridge the gap between your application and the database, making data operation faster and easier. Step 3, learn the .NET ecosystem. .NET offers various tools for different types of applications. Here are the main components to explore. ASP.NET Core for building web application and APIs. Blazor for building interactive web UIs. Windows Forms or WPF for creating desktop application. Xamarin or MyUI for mobile app development. Focus on one area to start, like ASP.NET Core if you are interested in web development, and master it before branching out. Step 4, build real world projects. Once you have covered the basic, start applying your knowledge with real world projects. Here are some examples. Build a crowd application with ASP.NET Core and EF Core like a task manager. Create a blog platform with user authentication and role management. Develop an inventory management system using SQL Server for data storage. These projects will strengthen your skills and make your portfolio stand out. Step 5, learn version control and best practices. Every developer needs to know version control. Learn Git, a tool that helps you manage changes in your code. Platforms like GitHub or Azure DevOps allow you to collaborate with other developers. In addition, practice writing clean, maintainable code, follow design principles like solid and dry, and ensure your applications are well tested. Good coding habits will set you apart from other developers. And finally, step 6, stay updated and networking. .NET is constantly evolving, so stay up to date with the latest features and tools. Follow Microsoft blogs, watch tutorials, and read technical books. Also, join communication like Stack Overflow, .NET Forum, or local meetups to connect with other developers. Networking can help you find job opportunities and mentors who can guide you. Becoming a .NET developer is an exciting journey Start with programming basics, learn to code with databases and EF Core, explore the .NET ecosystem, and build real-world projects. Stay consistent, stay curious, and you will reach your goal. If you have any further question about becoming a .NET developer or need help with something specific, drop them in the comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others. See you in the next one.